This recipe features real raspberries, giving it a deliciously fresh and tangy flavor that perfectly complements the creamy sweetness of the buttercream. Whether you're topping off a cake or simply looking for a tasty treat to enjoy on its own, this raspberry buttercream is sure to please. To start, we will make the raspberry sauce. In a small saucepan, add the previously thawed frozen raspberries, white sugar, water, and lemon juice. Mix constantly and bring to a boil. Reduce heat and simmer until thickened. Run the sauce through a strainer. Cool completely before using. It's time to make the buttercream. In a small bowl, add the butter, soft but still cold. Beat the butter until light and fluffy. Add the chilled condensed milk. Mix until the condensed milk is incorporated. Gradually add the raspberry sauce and mix. So far you will have a very pale pink color. Add red food coloring to have a more intense color. You can use this frosting to decorate cupcakes, between cake layers, and to cover cakes. Thank you for watching our recipe video. If you wish to see more of our content, please consider subscribing to our channel. Until next time,